Hey guys, it's Brooke. I'm just hearing a weird sound outside. Guys, hear that sound? And plus, there's a helicopter near my house again, but I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. But I just started hearing some weird animal sounds. I'm not sure if those are two birds fighting. Yeah, it's really fucked up. See if I can get it. Yeah, it just started happening out of nowhere. What the hell is that? God, I'm so sick of this shit. It's not even that that's bothering me. It's just I can hear the helicopter sound and they're not as close to my house because they don't want to be filmed. But this has been going on almost every fucking day. Like, why are they flying helicopters every fucking day? I think there might be two raccoons fighting or something. Wow, well, that was weird. What in the fucking hell? I never even heard of this shit going on like this. This is outside somewhere. Man. What the hell is that? Anyway, I'm pretty sure that will go on all night, but I'm gonna end it here. Some weird, funny sounds that I've been hearing by my window. That's the first time I've ever heard something like that. Usually there's cats outside fighting and stuff, but I've never heard it this bad. I don't think that's a cat. There might be a raccoon or something. Yeah, alright guys. Have a good night.